Hello, everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets, Asian markets are trading mixed amid weak cues from Wall Street over the weekend, while investors await the Fed Reserve's monetary policy meeting during the week. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.58%, Hang Seng is trading lower by 3.51%, and Shanghai is trading higher by 0.19%. Indian indices are expected to open lower. SGX Nifty was trading lower by 0.87%. Nifty started the week on a flat note, and buying momentum throughout the week led the index to close on a strong note near the week's high. Nifty closed at 17,585 with a gain of 216 points on a weekly basis. Nifty futures closed at 17,603 on a positive note, with a 4.98% decrease in the open interest indicating long unwinding. Nifty futures closed at a premium of 36 points compared to the previous day discount of 34 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Zydus Cadila received the final approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration for vortioxetine tablets, which are used to treat depression. Wipro has announced setting up a new co-innovation space with Google Cloud in Bangalore. And KEC International has acquired Spur Infrastructure, an epic company in the oil and gas pipeline sector, for Rs 62 crores. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. First Source Solutions Limited, with buy above at 210, stop loss at 208, and target prices between 212 to 215. And Century Textile and Industries Limited, with buy above at 860, stop loss at 854, and target prices between 866 to 872. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited, Interglobe Aviation Limited, Polycab India Limited, and Bajaj Finance Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Naveen Fluorine International Limited, Vodafone Idea Software Limited, Dr. Lal Path Labs Limited, and Tata Steel Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading.
Popcorn. Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.